Have you ever considered the real power that lies within the words you speak every day? Welcome to our look into the world of communication, where today we're telling a compelling truth. Mastering the art of speaking can not only enhance your life, but also catapult you into realms of unexpected success. Join us as we explore how fine-tuning your communication skills can be your gateway to becoming a millionaire. This isn't just about talking, it's about transforming your words into your greatest asset. Words are not merely tools for communication, they are powerful instruments that shape our interactions and can dictate the quality of our relationships, both personal and professional. Each word we choose carries weight, influencing perceptions and dictating responses from those around us. When used wisely, words can persuade, motivate, and inspire. They can build bridges or destroy them. Thus, understanding the impact of your words is the first step toward harnessing their power. Imagine the scenarios you face daily, from negotiations and meetings to casual conversations. In each, the effectiveness of your communication can significantly alter outcomes. For instance, consider a scenario where you need to convince someone of your idea. The clarity of your argument, the persuasiveness of your language, and the confidence in your tone can mean the difference between acceptance and rejection. By articulating your thoughts clearly and assertively, you ensure that your ideas are not just heard, but also respected and considered. Effective communication is more than just speaking. It's an art that involves timing, clarity, and empathy. At its core, communication is about conveying your thoughts in a way that is easily understood by others. This involves a clear structure to your speech, using words that resonate with your audience and delivering your message in a tone that aligns with the emotional context of the conversation. A crucial aspect often overlooked is the role of listening in communication. Active listening involves fully concentrating on what is being said, rather than just passively hearing the message. This technique allows you to understand better, respond more appropriately, and remember what is being communicated. It shows respect for the speaker, building trust and smoothing the path for more effective exchanges. This bidirectional respect enhances interactions and can lead to more productive outcomes in both personal and professional settings. By fine-tuning both aspects of communication, speaking and listening, you equip yourself with the ability to lead conversations strategically, ensuring that your voice is heard and your goals are achieved. This dual focus not only enhances your interpersonal skills, but also sets you up for significant success in every sphere of life. Discovering the potential of refined communication skills was a game changer for my professional path. Initially, my interactions lacked impact. I struggled to express ideas persuasively, often feeling overlooked in discussions. Recognizing this as a barrier to success was my first step towards change. I dedicated myself to learning the nuances of effective communication, focusing on how to present my thoughts clearly and engage listeners genuinely. The transition wasn't immediate, but with consistent effort, the results began to show. I noticed improvements in how others responded to me, leading to more opportunities for meaningful exchanges. As my confidence grew, so did my ability to influence outcomes in both negotiations and daily interactions. This shift didn't just improve my professional life, it enhanced my personal relationships, allowing me to connect with others on a deeper level. In refining my communication skills, several techniques stood out for their effectiveness. First, the practice of persuasive speaking, structuring arguments logically and appealing to the listener's emotions, proved invaluable. This approach involves presenting ideas in a way that not only makes logical sense, but also resonates emotionally with others. When people feel understood and valued in a conversation, they are more likely to engage positively with your message. Another powerful technique is storytelling. By framing my messages within a narrative, I found that listeners were more engaged and more likely to remember the points I made. Storytelling helps to humanize your interactions, giving context to your ideas and making them relatable. This technique transforms simple messages into compelling stories that capture the listener's imagination and hold their attention. Strategic silence has also played a critical role. Knowing when to pause in a conversation can give the other person space to absorb your words, react, and express their thoughts. These pauses often invite reflection and can make your communication more dynamic and interactive. A well-timed silence can emphasize a point or generate anticipation for what's coming next, enhancing the overall impact of your speech. The old adage that practice makes perfect holds particularly true in the realm of effective communication. To truly master the art of speaking, one must commit to continuous practice and self-assessment. This involves regularly engaging in conversations and presentations, actively seeking feedback, and being open to making adjustments based on that feedback. It's about creating a cycle of performance, feedback, refinement, and repetition. Self-practice is equally crucial. This can involve rehearsing speeches in front of a mirror, recording yourself to critique your delivery, and working on pacing and modulation to ensure your voice carries the intended emotion and emphasis. This regular practice helps in solidifying your speaking skills and building the muscle memory needed to perform well under various circumstances. Adopting the right mindset is foundational in becoming an effective communicator. This includes maintaining a mindset of growth, a belief that your abilities can be developed through dedication and hard work. It also involves viewing each speaking opportunity as a chance to improve, rather than a situation fraught with risk of failure. A significant part of this mindset is managing the fear associated with public speaking. Many people experience anxiety when speaking in front of others, but recognizing this fear as a normal response that can be harnessed is key. Transforming nervous energy into excitement and enthusiasm can dramatically improve your delivery and presence. It's about shifting your focus from worrying about potential judgment to the excitement of sharing your knowledge and insights. Accepting a positive mindset not only elevates your communication skills, but also influences how you are perceived by others. Confidence attracts positive attention and encourages engagement, creating a cycle where each successful interaction boosts your confidence further. This is not about masking insecurities, but building genuine self-assurance through competence and preparation. Each step forward in this journey not only enhances your ability to communicate, but also builds your identity as a confident individual capable of leading, inspiring, and succeeding. With enhanced communication skills, the doors to networking and establishing influential connections open wide. Effective communication fosters relationships that are built on mutual understanding and respect. This can lead to more profound and supportive interactions, which are essential in professional settings where opportunities often arise from who you know as much as what you know. As you become more adept at communicating, you'll find that you're better able to express your thoughts and ideas in a way that resonates with others, making it easier to connect with like-minded professionals. These connections can be crucial for career advancement, as they often lead to collaborations, job offers, and other professional opportunities. Engaging effectively in networking settings puts you in a position to take advantage of these opportunities as your enhanced ability to articulate your value becomes evident. Possessing strong communication skills has a tangible impact on financial success. Being able to speak well influences your capability to negotiate salaries, secure contracts, and persuade stakeholders. This skill set enables you to articulate your worth and negotiate terms that reflect your true value, often leading to better job positions and higher salaries. In businesses, whether you're dealing with customers, clients, or co-workers, the ability to clearly and persuasively convey your message can lead to increased sales, more effective teamwork, and stronger leadership. Each of these aspects directly correlates with increased revenue and growth opportunities for both individuals and organizations. The link between strong communication skills and financial success is not coincidental, but rather a direct result of the capability to influence, persuade, and maintain positive relationships. This causal connection between skilled communication and financial achievement is well supported by various studies, which show that professionals who communicate effectively earn more over their careers than their less articulate counterparts. Thus, investing time in enhancing your communication skills can yield significant returns, enhancing not just your professional life, but also your financial stability and growth. While we wrap up our discussion, it's clear that the ability to communicate effectively is not just a skill, but a critical asset in today's world. The journey to becoming an excellent communicator is ongoing, filled with learning and growth. It requires diligence, practice, and a willingness to continuously refine your approach. By engaging in this process, you position yourself to reap the numerous benefits that effective communication brings. Take the first step today towards transforming your communication skills. Whether it's picking up a book, enrolling in a course, or joining a speaking club, each action you take builds towards a more articulate and confident version of yourself. Remember, each word you speak shapes your reality and influences your path to success. With mastery in communication, you not only improve your chances of professional and financial success, but also your relationships and overall quality of life. If you found value in this discussion, don't hesitate to engage further. Subscribe for more insights and share this video with someone who could benefit from mastering the art of communication. We all have the potential to transform our lives through better communication, so start today and see where your words can take you. Thank you for joining us, and remember, your voice is powerful. Use it wisely.